In this video, I'm introducing the aromatic tropical herb, the basil plant. Basil has many health benefits, rich in vitamin A and C and minerals, known for its anti-aging and antibacterial properties. Adding fresh basil to a salad not only adds flavor but also helps reduce the number of harmful bacteria on the plate. One of my favorite things to do when I have an abundance of basil in my garden is to make pesto. Basil is one of the primary ingredients in pesto sauce, an Italian cuisine. I make my own pesto because I think homemade pesto tastes better and fresher than store-bought varieties. In homemade pesto, we can easily vary the ingredients as to our taste. We can tweak and perfect the recipe according to our requirements. Although basil pesto uses olive oil and pine nuts which have high fat content, they are still considered healthy. This is because they have unsaturated fats. When consumed in moderation, unsaturated fat can contribute to an improvement in cholesterol as well as reduce inflammation in your body. Basil plants always do so well that we can't use it up fast enough. Here is a simple recipe, my absolute favorite for homemade basil pesto. Basil pesto is a delicious multi-purpose sauce. It's often made from basil, olive oil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and pine nuts. Homemade basil pesto is much easier than you think and tastes much better than store-bought pesto coming from a jar. This recipe is incredibly simple, classic, flavorful. Ingredients needed for basil pesto are 2 cups fresh basil leaves, 1 whole garlic roasted or microwave. To roast garlic, all you need to do is cut the head off, drizzle with olive oil, microwave for 1 minute or roast in a hot oven for 10 minutes. Roasted garlic is always easier to peel as the skin comes off easily. Most pesto recipes call for Parmesan cheese, but you can easily substitute it with cheddar or omit it completely if you like. I find the taste very much acceptable without the cheese. Half cup cashew nuts roasted. The classic pesto recipe calls for pine nuts, but I prefer to use cashew nuts as they are more creamy. You may replace the nuts with walnuts, almonds, pecans, pistachios according to preference. The flavor of the pesto changes according to the nut you use, so adjust the ingredients to your taste. 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice just to brighten everything up. To add zing to this recipe, I have added 2 green chilies, which is my personal preference. 1 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Add all ingredients except the cheese into a food processor. Blend until a smooth thick paste is formed. The ingredients blend together rather easily. If you don't have a fancy food processor, no worries. It will still taste like pesto and it will still be remarkably good. You can't go wrong. Pesto is really that easy. Add extra olive oil if necessary to give a smoother consistency. 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. Add the cheese last. This is to avoid melting the cheese. Pulse several times until combined. See how easy that was. Homemade basil pesto is ready to enjoy. Its nutty, cheesy, garlic flavor goes very well with just about anything. As a topping for crusty bread, pesto sauce on baked potatoes. Spread on your favorite crackers. So aromatic, so fresh basil pesto. Enjoy pesto with your favorite pasta. Basil pesto is a super tasty, super healthy and a super easy sauce to make. That's all, my friends. So happy to share with you my delicious homemade basil pesto sauce. Thanks for watching.